Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna be discuss how to fix YouTube is done on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, go to your Google and then search for YouTube. As once guys, is home decoration is available YouTube. This is server connections error and then websites and app. So it's showing some comments. It's considered YouTube app is working fine, but on laptop say oh you are offline, check your connections. Is error showing on the laptop, check your connection. So same scene, happy with me any solution as can see guys. So how to fix? First of all, go back to your home screen and then go to your App Store and Play Store and then search for VPN. So search for VPN. I'm searching VPN is available. This one VPN and then download it. I'm already downloaded. Go to the open and then log in this account, create new account, and then wait some seconds. This available ad. So as you see guys, this is tap on ad and then tap on watch ad and then add watch and then your some minutes giving you to connect a VPN. So tap on this one and then VPN connecting. You select country is United Kingdom. As you see guys, I'm selected. So tap on this one and then connecting to the United Kingdom and wait some seconds to connect to the United Kingdom. As you see guys, it's connected and then go to your YouTube. As you can see guys, is YouTube is working. Wait some seconds to open. As you can see guys, this is working. So that's it guys for today. The video for please like to subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me in the comment. I have more. Thanks for watching.